So I promised you that I would share with you how to value your voice at $9.97 an hour. This is a teaching that I've been doing for a long time. A long time I've been teaching people how to value their voice. So here's the deal. So many people struggle undervaluing themselves. I was guilty, was very, very guilty. Still am to some extent, okay? So I learned this. I was in a program one time and the lady said, the cost of this class is $800. But if you want to sign up and work with me one-on-one, she says, that'll be $9.97 an hour. I said, did this lady just say $997? Or did she say $9.97? She said it would be $997 an hour. I said, I can't be mad at her, but I said, I'm going to figure it out. That was years ago. Guess what? After spending hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dollars, I figured it out, and I'm going to share it with you in this training, how to value your voice at $9.97. At a minimum, $9.97, okay? We ain't going to stop at $9.97. How to value your time at $9.97. How to value your time at $9.97. Okay, so let's just jump right on into it. I'm sharing my screens here, and I'm going to walk you through. We're going to go through it here. Okay, all right. But before I do that, I'm going to stop sharing. I'm not going to share yet. Before I do that, I want you to write this down. Write it in the comments, write it in the notes, write it in your notebook, write it down, handwrite it. It'll get to your brain faster. Your value is unlimited. Your worth is without measure. Say my value. My value is unlimited. My worth is without measure, but my price is what I'm willing to accept. If you write that down, get that down in your soul, get it in your socks, get it in your toes, get that all over you. Your value is unlimited. Your worth is without measure, but your price is what you're willing to accept. Now, that's the foundation of all my teachings. Watch all these videos in reference to $9.97. That's the foundation of it right there. Now, here's what I want to share that's going to help you get started. Number one, a lot of people are coaching, and this space has got a lot of people in it right now, right? But what I want you to understand, what I want you to get clear on, and that is, what is coaching? A lot of people don't know what coaching is. What is coaching? Coaching is one-on-one. I got it highlighted because that is the highest level of coaching. That's your premium time, okay? One-to-many group coaching. That's the key right there. That's where you get the most out of your time when you're doing one-to-many. Email coaching, responding to email, that's coaching. Texting people, that's coaching. Phone calls, that's coaching. Social media platform, Clubhouse, Wisdom, any other app, Facebook, that's coaching. And when you do a live event in a Zoom meeting, that is coaching, my friend. And when you approach a coach, I'm going to help you start your profitable coaching business. That's what this series is all about. How to be a profitable coach and not a pitiful coach. How to get paid and not played. All right. So we got down what coaching is. Let's go a little further here. Now, how to value your time at $9.97 an hour. Now, I want you to look at this. How to value your voice. Too many people give away their wealth without knowing what they are doing. This tool is designed to make you more aware of the value of your voice and your intellectual property. I love intellectual property. Part one indicates various activities in which you engage that could be wealth generating if you properly acknowledge and label them. And then part two, I'm not going to go into part two on this one. I'm just going to give you part one. Now, let's jump down here. I wanted to break this down a little bit. Revenue generating activities to consider that you probably don't even think about. Telephone conversations. Look at this. Group coaching calls, accountability calls, client care calls, colleague support, video review, recommendations, referrals, information soliciting. Can I pick your brain? That's coaching, my friend, and texting. So telephone communications. One, check this out. Email communication, initiating email communication with folks, that's coaching. Responding to email communication, that's coaching. Writing referrals and introduction to people, products, and programs, coaching. Social media influence activities, this is coaching, my friend. Hey, listen, there are people who got a lot of followers and they just create some kind of community and tell people, we're going to charge you, and you sign up and become a part of these communities and you get nothing. You get fugabooed. That's what you get. But guess what? Social media influencing is real. And if you need exposure and if you want to be called out by somebody on social media, then you need to just build your following, build your support, and realize that that's influence. So when you like something that someone doing, that's credibility. That's your credibility. Don't give it away, okay? Preparing and sending marketing emails, preparing and posting blogs, preparing and delivering podcasts, preparing and posting information, inspiration, social media, all of that is coaching. How about virtual training and consulting where you're creating and delivering Zoom meetings? You got to set those things up. You got to send out email sequences. How about creating and delivering webinars? When you do this and you're helping somebody else do this, that's coaching. Participating in an individual interview or panel discussion, that's coaching. Come on now, that's coaching. All right, how about human resource related activity? Research, locating and comparing potential VAs, creating detailed written description of work, communicating description of job, engaging in three-way conversation with clients and VAs until work is completed, done. That's coaching, my friend. All of that is coaching, okay? I'm going to stop right there. I'm not going into part 2 on this training. I just want you to just sit down and let it settle in that this is all coaching. Human resource related activity, virtual training activity, social media influence activity, email communication, telephone. All of this is revenue generating activity that you can package and present the proper way and value your voice at $9.97 an hour. Your value is unlimited. Your worth is without measure, but your price is what you're willing to accept. I hope this training has been helpful in talking about how to position your voice, how to position you to start building a profitable coaching career to earn $9.97 an hour. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, and I want you to know that the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people or the wrong things. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm out. All right. Hey, listen. If you'd like to talk with me, hit the reply button. If you like this, like, comment, share, drfredjones.com/strategy, drfredjones.com/strategy. Book some time. Let's talk about how we can help you write a book, build a brand, and grow your successful business.